Hello and welcome to the Culinary Exchange. My name is Matthew, and in this video we're making eclairs. I have a medium pot, and in it I have 1 cup of milk, and to this I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'll take this to the stove and melt it all together. I have our milk, butter, and sugar. I'm going to turn the heat to medium-high, melt it all together, and let it come to a boil. The milk is just to a boil. We're going to turn the heat to low and put in 1 cup of flour and give this a mix. Now into our dough, we're going to incorporate eggs 1 at a time. So we're going to crack it right in. And then with our wooden spoon, we're just going to mix it right in. Now the dough will fall apart, but then come back together. Now it's a lot of work to do with the wooden spoon, so you can also do it with your hand mixer. And when the egg is incorporated, add another. You see how it's gotten nice and sticky and gooey. That's exactly what we want. My choux paste is nice and cool, and I want to transfer it to a piping bag. Our eclairs are just out of the oven. They've puffed up nicely. They've gotten nice and golden brown. I'm going to take my knife and I'm just going to poke the ends. I want the steam to come out of them, and I'll let them cool completely, and then we'll fill them. I have a medium pot, and to it I'm going to add 5 egg yolks, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons of flour. We'll whisk these together. To this I'm going to add 1/2 cup of sugar. And then to this, I'm going to whisk in 2 cups of milk. And to this, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I have our eclair filling mixture on the stove. I'm going to turn the heat to medium-high and slowly bring it to boil. I have 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to stir that right in. I have 4 ounces of 70% cacao chocolate, which I've chopped up roughly with my chef's knife. And to it, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of corn syrup and 2 tablespoons of cream. I have a pan of simmering water on the stove. I'm going to take my chocolate topping mixture, place it right on top. To construct the eclairs, I have some of our eclair shells, and I've transferred some of our filling into this pastry bag. It has this little special tip on it, and I just want to insert that right in and give it a little squeeze. And then I have a bit of our ganache. I want to dip it right in, make sure we get a nice coating. I have a few of our eclairs. Let's give one a taste. Just delicious. And there you have it. That's how you make eclairs. Hey, for more great recipes and cooking tips, come visit us at theculinaryexchange.com. And before you go, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching.